Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are 8 amazing and creative ways to eat buffalo chicken dip. Over French fries. Pin it. Inside crescent rolls. Pin it. In a grilled cheese. It's a childhood favorite with a bit of a spicy side. Inside egg rolls, wontons. Pin it. On top of potato skins. Pin it. Mixed with pasta. On a pizza. With a spoon.
Let's help you make your mark.
What sides go with buffalo chicken cheese sliders? Grandma's real southern baked beans. Parmesan chive corn on the cob. Classic no-peel potato salad. Crispy buffalo potato wedges. Cheddar bacon ranch pasta salad.
Take our lead.
Heat the dip again when all ingredients are added. The dip is ready when the cheese has melted. If you prefer a more liquid dip, which is perfect for dipping with fragile tortilla chips, add a few tablespoons of milk. The dip will thicken as it cools.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.